I'm a physician and a toy maker. I'm Dan, and I had basically my wings had completely gone. So I had these filled in. This was receding, so got a bunch of sort of this hairline filled in. And then I didn't realize this, but the cowlick area was starting to turn into just a bald spot. So got that filled in as well. I think it was 2,400 grafts, but it might have been 2,200 or 2,000. It was somewhere around there, 2,000, 2,500. I took half of Valium and I slept literally through the whole thing. I remember lunch. They woke me up for lunch and I was asleep again. I don't remember any of it. And it didn't. The next day it wasn't bothersome or anything. It was itchy, but not painful. I was actually looking on Reddit, Reddit SF, and this was the place that they recommended, and I was great. I didn't really notice until I started looking at photographs when I was 20. And so I think I've been losing my hair since I was probably in my mid or early 20s. But then it was bothering me more in my late 30s. And then eventually I was just thinking about it too much. And I was screw this, I want to stop thinking about it. My barber, I talked to him about it and he was very knowledgeable. And then he'd had a bunch of clients who'd been through the Mohebi program and were very happy. And so I was all right, word of mouth, sounds good. My thought was, this can't make things worse. And if it's, the explants, you don't even notice. So my thought was the worst case scenario is okay, I'll have hair where I don't want and I'll shave it off. But best case scenario is I get what I want and things look nicer. And they do. I'm very happy with the way things turned out. But yes, I was anxious about it. And then there's a 4-month period of waiting for stuff to grow back enough to have hair. And it was probably 6 months before I could finally get regular haircuts that look nice. So that waiting period was not, I wasn't excited about that, but it didn't matter. Oh, he's really nice. It's very straightforward and friendly and just sort of has a tactical plan.